Hey, what's going on, guys? Motonosity here. So in the last video I installed the new exhaust on my MT-09. It's the LeoVince LV1 Evo Carbon. I'll show it to you right here. So I did a whole install video. If you want to see that, I'll link it down in the description. You guys can see exactly how to remove the stock exhaust and install an aftermarket exhaust, specifically the LeoVince that I have on here. Now, the exhaust also has something in it called a dB killer. It's a little insert that goes into the tip of the exhaust that it basically just reduces how loud the exhaust is. Now, I didn't take it out in that video. I just wanted that to be about the install and then showing the sound test right after you install the exhaust. But I wanted to make a short video for anyone searching for just a sound test of this thing to give exactly how it's going to sound stock with the aftermarket LeoVince exhaust and with the LeoVince without the dB killer in it. It's really simple. It's just this insert right here. There's a small screw. You just take that out, and you know what? I think that, yeah, it's got a very, very small weld on that, it looks like, but it should be easy to break. You just undo this and then basically just pull this out with a pair of pliers. So I'm gonna get that taken out, and then I'll show you the sound test with the dB killer taken out, and then I'll roll through some sound tests of the stock exhaust, the LeoVince with it in there, and then with it taken out, so you guys can know exactly how this is gonna sound. I hope you enjoy it, and let me know what you think down in the comments. By the way, as with everything that I do on my bikes and all the gear and stuff that I use and wear, that's all linked down in the description, so you guys can check it out. Whenever you buy something using the links in my description, helps me out, helps out the channel, and doesn't cost anything extra for you guys. So anything you do, I appreciate it. But let's get to those sound tests. So here's the dB killer taken out. As I expected, it was super simple to break that little weld on the screw. This is significantly bigger than the dB killer that's in the LeoVince on my R6. I think I have it inside somewhere, but it's basically half the length of this, and I don't think it has this tip on it. So you see it has a tip, and it kind of has the openings in there for where the air will go through out of the exhaust. That's different than the one on the R6. So I want to say that this is going to make a bigger difference on how loud this exhaust is on the bike, but I'm not sure. We'll have to test it out. The other thing I want to note before I show you guys the sound test, the microphone will adjust for the loudness of the input that it's receiving. So you can't really gauge the actual loudness of each type of exhaust because it's going to peak around the same decibel level for what you guys hear. But you guys can hear for yourself, and I'll try to give you guys my feedback on how loud I think it is compared to each other. But you know, let's get to that. Dude, it's shooting flames. My God, could you hear that? I was not expecting that to be that much louder. So this is what I took out. What do you think? Yeah, that came out of the motorcycle. I mean, I knew it was gonna be louder, but that was insane. So much louder. I'm not even joking. So much louder, a lot deeper, and it shoots flames. Aylin, do you want me to turn it on again? No, Dad. So yeah, I think it doesn't come across on video as much as it does in real life, just the way the microphone adjusts based on how loud the input is. But holy crap, dude, that is that is That is the difference that I was expecting on the exhaust change. Don't get me wrong, I really like the sound. Hi, hi. Do you want me to pick you up? Yeah. Yeah? Do you have your cowboy boots on? Your pink cowgirl boots? Check those out. Are those not the coolest things, cutest things you've ever seen? Do you like your boots? Yeah? Does your jacket and boot match your pants? Are you camera shy? Even though you have no idea what the camera is?
Well, she gets shy when she
Is that Dada's? Is that your stroller? So this was gonna be a short video, sorry. Baby showed up and, you know, plans change. I'm gonna turn this on again after she goes inside. I'm gonna turn it on again and kind of walk around the bike so you guys can hear the sound a little bit as I go around the back and around the front, but no joke, that is an incredible sound. Jeez. Okay. Whew. Let's turn this thing on. Goodness. Oh my goodness. I stuck my face behind the exhaust and shot it up. That's how I do my hair in the morning. I just stick my head behind my exhaust and give it a few revs. So that is it. Again, I'll have wow. I'll have the exhaust link down in the description if you guys want to check it out. They make it for this bike along with a bunch of other bikes. Got it on my R6 as well. Very similar style, but wow, man, that sound is that is crazy. So yeah, check it out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of all the videos I have coming out for this bike, all my other bikes, and all the other stuff I do. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give the video a big old thumbs up for that exhaust sound, and remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life lived, and I'll see you guys in the next one.